Welcome or welcome back to Starting From Scratch. Today is Monday. Mondays are kind of a bummer. Honestly, I hate Mondays. So I decided that I'm going to make something super simple today. I'm going to make Crock Pot BBQ Chicken. And it's actually about 4 o'clock right now. I get out of work pretty early, so I'm home, it's 4, and I'm going to just throw some stuff in the crock pot. Hopefully it turns out okay. Let's get started. The first part of this recipe is so simple. All we're gonna do is take a chicken and barbecue sauce and put it in the crock pot. Now, if we wanted to get super fancy, we could make our own barbecue sauce. The recipe I'm using today actually does give me like a list of how to make barbecue sauce, like all the ingredients you need, how to put it all together. It's great. But since I've never had that barbecue sauce before, and if I mess it up on a Monday, when all I want to do is take a nap, I'm going to be pretty upset. So I've decided to just use the good old sriracha roasted garlic barbecue sauce from Trader Joe's. I used this in my first video and I really like this barbecue sauce because it gives like a really nice heat. So I'm actually cutting the recipe that I got makes like 8 servings, so I'm just going to cut it in half because my crock pot's a little tiny guy. So hopefully by cutting the recipe in half, I'll have enough for dinner tonight and then lunch tomorrow. I just need 1 pound of chicken. So I'm just gonna go ahead and these are just chicken breasts. I'm just gonna go ahead and like layer them on. So literally this is about to get so simple. I'm just gonna put my chicken in the crock pot and then put a cup of barbecue sauce on top. I don't think I've ever actually made something in a crock pot like start to finish, which is weird because I'm so lazy. So now we're just gonna top the crock pot off with barbecue sauce, and I'll just need 1 cup of that. Do you hear that? Oh shit. I got distracted. I got way distracted. Holy moly. Literally the easiest thing you could do, and I just messed it up. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my 1 cup of barbecue sauce just all over the chicken. Get it nice and coated. So because it's like 4 o'clock, I'm going to go ahead and put this on high for 3 hours. If you were doing it like going to work and coming home, you would do it for 7 hours on medium. But it's 4 o'clock. We want to get this done. Put it on high for 3 hours. Set it and forget it. So this is literally the first time I've ever used this crock pot, and I don't even know how to tell if it's on. Like, look at it. There's no lights. There's no like boop boop. It's on. It's just like on. I guess it's kind of getting warm. But yeah. Cool. So my plan right now is to go to the gym. If this cuts to me in this outfit, this hair, your girl didn't go to the gym. And we're back, you guys. So I did it. I didn't actually go to the gym, but I did go for a run. I realized that by the time I would get to the gym, it was gonna be way too crowded. Because all those people are still doing their New Year's resolutions, so good for them. But it would have been way too crowded. So I just went for a run outside. I came back. I had a bath. I got cozy. And I started making some quinoa. I'm making quinoa for tomorrow so that I can have lunch with the chicken and broccoli and quinoa. While the chicken cooks, I will make the coleslaw. I'll put the coleslaw in the fridge, wait for the chicken to get done, shred it up, toast my buns. You know. So let's go over vodka soda, y'all. Just kidding, it's totally water. So like I said, I'm cutting everything in half for this recipe. For the coleslaw, I'm going to do the same thing in a bowl. we are going to mix all the ingredients and then put it in the fridge and let it set. I don't know, what does Jell-O do? Sets in there before I put it with the chicken. A 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon honey. That is satisfying. Wow. 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I can only find my 1/4 teaspoon. I feel like this happened before. Maybe it's time to go to the store and be an adult. And then 1/2 teaspoon of mayo. It says reduced fat because this is supposed to be like healthy slaw. This is olive oil mayonnaise. So that's what you got. That's what you do, you know. So that's all the wet ingredients, and then we're gonna add cabbage and carrots. So let me tell you a fun fact about that. Have you ever been to a Trader Joe's on a Sunday afternoon? Apparently I had not until yesterday, and it was packed in there. Like, we were sardines. I was like, why are people in here? But then I was in there, so I was like, I'll just get a few things and get out. And they're like, yeah, this is the normal afternoon rush on a Sunday. I was like, I can't even move down the aisle. So for the slaw, I need red cabbage, green cabbage, and carrots cut into like matchstick. I know that they have matchstick carrots, and I was gonna buy those, but they didn't have red cabbage or green cabbage. And then I found this. It is shredded green cabbage, red cabbage, and carrots. It's the perfect thing. Like, hello Trader Joe's, did you know I was trying to make this video? So I'm just gonna mix this mixture up and like pour this in until it's to my satisfaction. Good on you, Trader Joe's. Okay. There's not enough room in this bowl, so I'm going to transfer this into here. So this looks good. It's very slaw-like. Obviously, that's what it is. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. The chicken is actually done. I just need to shred it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and be done. This is so fun. I feel like I have little hands. Like, have you seen, isn't it SNL and Kristen Wiig, and she's like, has little hands? Okay, now I put all this back in the crock pot and I leave it for like 5 minutes so it can like marinate everything, and then it will be done. Okay, that's all shredded, all mixed up, and I'm gonna put that back in the crock pot. I guess I'll just turn it on low for like 5 minutes. So I bought little artisan bread buns. I'm just gonna put this in the toaster and get it a little more crispy and then present it. So this is our little open-faced chicken sandwich. Looks really good. Let's give it a try. my gosh. It's messy. That's really good. There's some heat from the sriracha, but it's not as overpowering as I thought it would be. It's really good. I think it like goes well with the slaw, and, like the honey and all that that's in there. And then just the chicken tomorrow over my quinoa and my broccoli will be really good because it'll have more of that, like the juice, just the juice, and so it'll be more tangy and spicy. So yeah, this one turned out good as well. I'm getting so good at this. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad that this was easy and simple, and it was kind of a set it and forget it kind of recipe because I was not feeling it today. But I'm feeling eating this right now. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!